Hello, this is Carrie Larson, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add a candidate to the applicant tracking system in JazzHR. If you have an external candidate that you would like to add into a job position, you may do so by selecting the job, and you would go to Add Candidate and select the down arrow. The down arrow would do import via email. For this example, we're going to do add candidate, and so we're going to select on the add candidate button. It pops up, upload a candidate. You have a couple of options here. The first option that I'm going to show you is how to drag a resume in. For this example, I'm going to drag and drop a resume from my desktop and pull that into the drag resume file. In the case of an actual resume, it would already fill in the information. But for this purpose, we're going to just go ahead and leave it as is. When you add a candidate, it only asks, required fields are the name and an email address. It asks for any additional information. And then you would want to also select show optional fields. In here, there's some other fields. The one field that you would want to fill in would be source of candidate. You would want to type in external candidate. And then any other information that you might be interested in adding, you could add any of these fields if you have that information. And then you can go ahead at the very bottom and you could select upload candidate. Once it has been uploaded, it'll open to the profile of the candidate, and you would be able to see their profile with their resume. If you would need to change anything once it has come in, then you can page down to edit profile, and you would be able to, if email would happen to need to be changed, name or phone, or you could add their address. You would just want to make sure you would remember to select save profile. And that shows you how, if you're going to add a candidate using a resume. If we're going to manually load a candidate, we could do that by going back to the job. And again, we would go to add candidate. And this time, instead of dragging and dropping a resume, we're going to choose the other options. I don't have a resume. And this is where it pops up and you can put in and you can do email and any other information that you would have. And then again, you would want to do show optional fields. And source of candidate, you would want to select, type in external candidate. And then any other information that you may have, you can enter. If you don't have any other information to enter, you can page all the way down to the bottom and select upload candidate. And it opens right up to the candidate profile and information. Again, if you need to change anything, you can page down to full profile, edit profile, make any changes that would be necessary, and then select Save Profile. Now you know how to add a candidate to the applicant tracking system. Thank you and have a great day.